So hello bachcho. So now in this video I have discussed one more problem related with oblique impact. Then this is a 17.21 problem in DS Kumar. So what is in this problem, there occurs a collision between a 2 kg mass body moving with a velocity of 8 meter per second and a 4 kg mass body moving with 2 meter per second. Okay, at the instant of impact, the velocities of the two bodies are parallel and inclined at 30 degree to the line joining their centers. Okay, so determine the velocities of both in magnitude and direction with which the balls would move after the impact. And here it is given the coefficient of restitution is 0.6. Okay, so now come to the solution. In this, how can we proceed to find out the value? Is that this is the figure. In this, these two balls, this is your first ball and this is your second ball. Okay, so u1 is 8 meter per second and u2 is 2 meter per second, and both at the time of instance both both are parallel, so this angle is equal with each other, theta 1 and theta 2, and after the impact this makes angle phi 1 and phi 2. Okay, so how to proceed to find out the values? So again recall your conservation of linear momentum along y-axis and along x-axis. So first we discuss along y-axis. So along y-axis, this is your u1 sin theta 1 means 8, this is 30 degree, so this is your 8 cos 30 and this is your 8 sin 30. Okay, and 8 sin 30 is along this direction and v1 sin phi 1 along this direction, so both are equal with each other. So 8 sin 30 equal to v1 sin phi 1 and it gives v1 sin phi 1 equal to 4. And similarly for this axis is again this is your 2 sin theta sin 30 and along this is v2 sin phi 2, that is this along this axis. So this comes to be 2 sin 30 equal to v2 sin phi 2, so v2 sin phi 2 equal to 1. Okay, now along the x-axis, so along the x-axis is this m1 u1 cos theta 1. Okay, m1 u1 cos theta 1 plus m2 u2 cos theta 2 equal to m1 u1 cos phi 1 plus m2 v2 cos phi 2. So this is 2 into cos 30 and 4 into 2 cos 30, and this is a equation. So v1 cos phi 1 plus 2 v2 cos phi 2 equal to 10.39. Okay, and again we recall the coefficient of restitution, that is equal to v2 cos phi 2 minus v1 cos phi 1 upon u1 cos theta 1 minus u2 cos theta 2. Okay, so E gives 0.6 and by using the values of this u1 and u2 we again obtain the next equation, that is v2 cos phi 2 minus v1 cos phi 1 equal to 3.12. Okay, and by solving this equation 4 and this 4 equation, this equation and this equation, these two equations. Okay, and by solving these two equations we found that v1 cos phi 1 equal to v2 cos phi 2 equal to 4.5, this is, and v1 cos phi 1 equal to 1.39. Okay, and similarly you can obtain for the tan phi 1, that is here this is given as 1 divided by 6 and 2 divided by 5, and we found that phi 1 and phi 2 are 70.84 and 12.52. So how can we proceed to find the value of velocity after the impact? And we know that v1 cos phi 1 equal to 1.39 from this equation, this 1.39, v1 cos phi 1 equal to 1.39, and by using phi 1 here when we can obtain for the V1, and similarly phi 2 here, and we can obtain for V2. And we found that these two velocities are V1 and V2 are this 4.23 and 4.61 meter per second. Okay, so thank you. This is the end of collision of elastic bodies. In next video we have discussed about the kinetics, impulse, momentum and work energy. Thank you.